Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shraddha and in this video we will going to understand how to create a custom app in a Salesforce. Before we go and create our first app, first let's understand the difference between standard app and the custom app. So here you can see this is the sales app. This sales app is already provided by a Salesforce. When you first created your developer org, that time you have seen these applications from the app launcher. Currently, I have opened the app launcher, clicking on this view all, and here you see the application like sales, lightning usage app, community, service, content, sales console. These apps are by default created by a Salesforce. That's why we call these apps as a standard app. But the app that we are going to create, those apps are called as a custom application. So now we understood that the difference between standard and custom app. Now let's go and create our first Salesforce custom app. To create the custom app, click on the gear icon from the top right corner and click on the setup. After that, here you will see the quick find. Enter app manager here. Click on this app manager. Here you see the all available apps from the Salesforce, and you can see the details like app name, developer name, description, last modified date, app type, and visibility in the lightning. So to create it, click on the new lightning app button. Here you see this interface. This is the first step of our app creation. Here you have to enter the basic details of your app. Let me add a name of my application. Student management is my app name. Once you add an app name here, Salesforce automatically generate the developer name here. You can change the developer name if you don't want the same that is generated by Salesforce. I'm keeping this same that is given by Salesforce only. You can write a description also here for your app. Here you will see image. This is a image of your app branding. If you have an image, you can upload here. I don't have any image currently, so I am just leaving this option here as it is. From this primary color, you can select the color for your app. I am just selecting this green color. Okay, and click on done. Here you will see the interface of your app. After you enter all of your details, click on the next button. This is our second step of app creation. Here you have to select some options. First is a navigation style. I just want the standard navigation only. Next we have a supported form factor. So I want this app should be visible to desktop and phone. Next, setup experience. I am just keeping this is also same. App personalized settings. I am just keeping this also as it is. I don't want to enable any of these options. After you selected all the options that you wanted, click on the next button. Here you will see the interface. It's asking you to add the utility items. What are the utility items? the utility items, if you add any of the items from here, these utility items you will see in the bottom left side of your app, that I will show you once we create this. If you have any utility items to add, you can add that from here. I'm adding only the charter field. Click on the next, or you can keep this not selected also, and later you can come back and add the utility items as per the requirements. Click on the next. This is very important screen of your app creation. Here you have to select the navigation items. These navigation items are nothing but the tabs. Let me go back to this screen. The tabs, here you see the opportunity, leads, task, files, accounts, contacts. These are the tabs. This you can see after the app has been created. So I have some tabs like student, I'm adding that, then course, now let me add report and dashboard. Okay, so I want only these 4 tabs to be visible on my app. Let me click on the next. From here you have to select the profiles. So I'm selecting here system administrator. Sorry. Next, I want sales profile, marketing profile. Now click on the save and finish. So our first Salesforce custom application is created, and the new app you can see here in this list also. To check our newly created Salesforce app, go back to this previous tab and refresh this once. Click on the app launcher and search for your new custom application. Here you will see our new custom app is coming here. Click on that. From here you can see the tabs that we have added earlier. Student, courses, reports and dashboards are coming here, and at the bottom you can see your charter field. This is the utility items that we have added. It's also coming here. So this is how you can create your first custom application in a Salesforce. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.